Hello, welcome to the knowledge base on the conscious choice of windows. This is a series of videos prepared for you by the brand Squatokian.pl, which has over 1,000 new windows of standard sizes available immediately and fulfills your individual orders. In this episode, I will talk about standard window sizes and the sizes after which prices can increase significantly. Typical sizes are defined as those most commonly used in residential construction in the 1980s and 1990s. Most residential estates and houses built during this period have windows of the same dimensions. For example, balcony windows have a width of 86 centimeters and a height of 219 or 229 centimeters. Room windows have variable widths, but their height is most often 113 or 140 centimeters. Windows used in basements also have variable widths, and their height is most often 53 or 53 centimeters. Professionals most often provide these values in millimeters. Remember, when stating the window dimension, we always start with its width. Such window dimensions minimize the amount of production waste and are produced in large quantities by many manufacturers. Now you can take a measuring tape and check if the window stock will have new windows available immediately for you. If you are building a house and need a quick delivery of windows, it is worth considering adjusting the design to standard sizes. This way, you will avoid a long wait for your custom order to be produced. Another very important economic factor is navigating the boundary dimensions of display windows, meaning glazing without the possibility of opening. From a certain size, it is necessary to use thicker glass, which significantly increases the price of the entire window. Then, in addition to the higher product price, the cost of its transport and installation also increases due to its heavy weight. This limit is 3.25 meters for the area of one storefront. If we decide on a larger area, even by 1 cm, the price will increase by about 3 times. If your planned window exceeds this size, you can choose to divide the storefront into sections using crossbars and maintain a standard, cost-effective glass. An additional advantage of using division is the lower price of the glass in case it needs to be replaced. The glass unit is smaller, lighter, and cheaper. This rule also applies to glass entrance doors for service premises or balcony doors, such as. I hope that the information provided in this and all previous materials will help you make informed choices regarding your new windows and accessories. Remember that our team is always happy to advise and suggest the most beneficial solutions. Talk to you soon.